Hi, second graders. We are going to talk about the couplet poem. Okay, if you turn to page number 11, look at your table of contents. Here's the couplet. Turn to page number 11 in your poetry book. We're kind of skipping around, but we'll get to all the poems. And if you notice, here is where you will draw your picture in this box right here. And then you will use these two lines down here to write your poem. Now this is your final copy. So you will want to do your first draft on this page in your planning packet. Okay, I want you to turn to your couplet poem planning page. A couplet poem is a two-lined poem. Each line has the same number of syllables, and the last word in each line rhymes. Often, couplet poems are funny. So it could be funny, you don't have to make it funny, but sometimes they're funny poems. Here's the example. I saw a cat that had a hat. He plays baseball with a red bat. So you will write some words that rhyme in this box right here. And then you will try to come up with sentences that have the same number of syllables in them and rhyme. So do your practice poem here before you do it in your final, in your poetry book. Okay, I'll show you my example. Remember, mine's a lot smaller because we used different poetry books last year. Okay, I gave mine a title, Nature Shows. Remember, it has to have the same number of syllables in each line. Nature puts on little shows every time it rains or snows. So each line has 7 syllables. Okay, and I wrote each line down like this. It's a two-lined poem. Okay, so go ahead and brainstorm. Think of words that rhyme and complete it on your planning page first.